Please stop!
My car's ruined! Look at my car!
On November 24, 2023, Fargo police officers in North Dakota attempted to stop a red SUV believed to be stolen after it was observed driving recklessly on Interstate 29. When the driver refused to pull over, officers discontinued the pursuit. Moments later, police were dispatched to a rollover crash on 12th Avenue North, where officers found the vehicle overturned in a ditch, injured passengers inside, and the suspected driver fleeing the scene on foot.
Please stop! It's gonna be a male wearing all black, white tennis shoes, unknown race, getting laid down on the ground right now. Police, don't move! Stay on the ground!
While one officer chased the suspect who had fled the scene on foot, another officer stayed with the crashed SUV, helping the injured occupants escape the wreckage and making sure they received medical attention.
You go inside. There's two people. I understand. I understand.
My phone, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, get out of the car.
Wait,
Okay, step out of the car.
please help me. Please help me.
Come here.
I broke
Come
my
here.
finger.
Come here. Come here.
I broke my finger.
Okay.
I need my
Sit on the ground. Sit on the ground. Sit on the ground.
I need my
Keep your hands in the air. Ma'am, is it?
I need my boyfriend. I need for my boyfriend.
704. One female
It's
extracted.
my boyfriend's car.
So work on getting the second female out.
Oh my god, my car's ruined.
Okay, get off the phone,
I need
please.
to call him.
No, who?
My boyfriend, this is his car. He needs to
Okay.
tell you the insurance.
Okay, well get off the phone. Just stand by.
Help me.
Can you scoot out, ma'am?
I could get out.
Can you get out? I don't want you to cut
I know,
yourself
I know,
anymore.
I know.
Go and help, sir.
Can you
Just
help me
stand by
get
for a
out?
sec. We'll come talk to you.
He just left the station.
Okay.
Oh, come on.
Okay, can you get out?
Sit down.
Okay.
Can you help me? Get away, please.
Yeah.
Please.
Okay. Come sit down. Come sit down. Sit down, ma'am. We're gonna help you. I want to make sure you're okay. I'm good with them. Go help Tanner. I think the guy's just northbound over there. He jumped over the fence.
Do not move! Arms out to the side! Arms out to your side, man. Put your hands behind your back. Where are you hurt?
Well, I just tried to.
Okay.
I'm trying to leave, go home.
Okay, put your hands behind your back, man.
You know what I mean? Please, I can't move my shit.
What do you mean you can't move?
I was trying to fuck that car.
Yeah, you crashed that car back there.
That wasn't me.
No?
Oh, that wasn't
Why are
me.
you running? Put your
Because
hands.
the way they did this,
You can move your legs. You can move your lips. Put your hands behind your back, man.
you want me slowly? 911 at least. Please, it hurts.
Okay.
I'm not trying, I'm not.
Okay. Okay.
It hurts.
Put the other one back here.
Please.
I'm trying to help you out.
I ain't gonna let you. I was just trying to go.
Okay. I'm code 4. I got the milk obtained. 10-4. It's a pretty tough one to climb. Yep, I'll help you up in a sec.
You want me over?
Yep, give me 1 sec, man. What's your name, man?
Bobby?
Bobby? Where you hurting, Bobby?
Everywhere.
Everywhere? Alright, Bobby, we're gonna roll you over here. Okay. Do you have any weapons on you, Bobby?
I don't care what it's like.
I'm out with him. We might need a 600 for him.
Okay.
Alright, Bobby, we're gonna roll you onto your side, man, okay?
Are you able to put your knees to your chest there, bud?
Yep. No.
After the suspect was detained, officers shifted their attention back to the crash site, where the SUV had rolled over and passengers were still being assisted.
Okay, just hang tight. Ma'am, get off the phone. Get off the phone. I understand, get off the phone. Okay. 704. Both females extracted from the vehicle. There's code 4. 600 is clear approach to 2. We're just to the north of this intersection. Okay, where are you guys hurt? Okay, my biggest thing is what happened, okay? But I don't know what's going on with you. Okay, off the phone. I'm not going to tell you again off the phone.
It's my shoes.
Okay.
It's my shoes.
Okay, what hurts?
My head. My stomach.
Okay.
My back.
Okay. Just try not to move.
I need you
Try not
breathe.
to move.
I'm breathing. Oh, what was that? I don't know
Okay.
what happened.
What?
Oh.
Your stomach hurts. What hurts for you, ma'am?
For me, it's my shoe. It's my feet. I was just trying to figure out what happened.
What do you mean? He just...
It's my back. I don't know what
Yeah, a
happened.
couple could go help Tanner, and I'll probably need help with my 2 females here. You can see my flashlight.
I was under control. Listen. Yeah.
I understand that, but this is how I get to work. I bring my kids in
Someone
this
check
car.
with the semis in our car and see if anyone
That's how I get to work.
You can't give me
That's why I get to work.
But they say my car's ruined. Look at my car. We didn't even pay this off. Like, what? I can't do this.
It's my feet and my head for me.
Okay.
I want to let you know.
What
Officer?
hurts? What hurts for you, ma'am?
My back.
Your back. Okay.
I think I'm gonna be okay. But listen, look at my car.
I understand. What
I have to
hurts
go to
for you,
work.
ma'am? What hurts from you, ma'am?
It's my feet and my head.
Feet and head.
I'm just cold on my feet. I'm cold on my feet. I don't know what just happened.
I know what just happened.
This is 12 right here.
This is 12th Ave North. What is your first name? I don't even know what to call you.
Jalen.
Jalen.
Deja.
Deja. Okay.
Officer,
So-
do you see my car?
Oh, I see your car. I tried to stop your car and
He
it
wouldn't
fled. Okay, so here's the deal. I understand you guys said you were passengers, but still I need to do my investigation. But at the same time, my main
Okay,
concern,
I
just
understand that.
let me talk, don't interrupt, okay? My main concern is I want to make sure you guys are okay, but at the same time I have to do my job, okay? So right now you two are being detained, okay? And that doesn't mean you're not under arrest, you're being detained, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in court of law. You have the right to have an attorney, have one present when being questioned. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided to you. At any given time, you may exercise your Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Do you understand the Miranda
I
rights?
work as a daycare teacher.
Okay, just let me know. Do you understand the Miranda rights? Okay, do you understand the Miranda rights?
Yes, but
Okay.
I work as a daycare teacher. I can't get
Who
locked
was-
up. I will lose my job.
Who was driving?
I don't know.
us. We were in the back seat.
Okay.
This is my car.
Why did he flee?
Who was driving?
We were in the back.
Deja, no, I'm not playing with you. I don't care. I don't care
Sweet,
about
I
teaching.
can't.
Who was
Go ahead.
driving? This is my car. Look,
I
Deja,
know.
how do I get to work?
Okay, did he tell you why he fled?
Where the fuck?
I can't get pulled over. I can't get pulled over. I told him let me drive. Listen, officer, I don't know this man. It was 100% my fault. This is my car. But Deja, I need to know his name.
Can one of you,
No, who was
let's get 600 of them. She's complaining of stomach and back pain. She's got feet.
Either of you
And-
are able to walk.
I can
Let's
walk.
just
I
keep
can
it
walk.
there until they
I just my feet are
My
cold.
back
My
really
feet are
hurts.
cold. That's the only thing that's my
Okay.
problem right now.
Okay. We can just, we'll just have it okay?
Officer,
You have to able to walk.
my car.
Johnny,
Yeah, I'll put it in the back of the car so they can get warm.
okay.
No.
Yeah, I
can't
just
go
don't
in
want
the
to
back of
move
the
them.
car. I can't
Were you guys wearing your seatbelts?
Yes. We were in the back
Yes.
seat.
Okay.
I don't know what
Officer, I
happened.
She's complaining of back pain. I just don't want her.
It's
It's
right
just my
here.
feet are cold right
That's
now.
also.
Are you able to walk?
I think so, but it's just hurting my heart a little bit. That's my phone.
Yep.
I need to call my boy.
Okay. We'll give you a sec. Just hang tight. I don't want you to move
You
anymore
don't
and hurt
understand.
yourself.
I drive to work with this car. I have kids. Oh my. Oh.
Negative. I called it out. It's only the two of them. You said it was the two of you and the driver, right?
We were in the
Okay.
passenger. We were in the back seat. What happened?
They're right here. They're coming.
I
The two
think
female occupants
I
have
think I-
minor lacerations to the face, feet. One has back pain.
We were in the
Appear to be
back
minor.
seat. What happened?
Both passengers inside the SUV were injured in the crash and were transported to the hospital for treatment. Their injuries were reported as non-life-threatening. The driver, Bobby Lamar Maliek James, was later charged and pleaded guilty to multiple offenses, including fleeing, reckless endangerment, and driving under suspension. In May of 2024, he was sentenced to 18 months of supervised probation. If you want to see more real police body cam footage and incident breakdowns like this, make sure to like the video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for future uploads.